Hi everybody. So this video is to start having a look at that collection of apps that we all have on our Office 365. You are already familiar with some of them, and some of them are completely unknown to you, which is perfectly normal because they keep on adding new ones, and all of them are not relevant to what we are doing. And then some of them are borderline, could be used in some contexts. And I have started having a look at a few of them. And today I'm going to talk about lists and how you can integrate it into Teams. And yes, I'm still there. And how it can be interesting to use, but as well, we're going to talk about the limitations. Know that I'm on the good tab. We are here in the sandbox in general. If I want to add a list, I simply go the same way as we do to add or integrate other apps. I click on lists. It does take a little bit of time. You need to save the list, and then it will offer you the possibility to create a new list or to add an existing one. So I'm going to select the one I have made as a trial, but you'll see that the dialog box will have is the same as when we created afresh. So I thought that this type of list would be useful for keeping track of my IA students. So I created it over here so you can see that you can describe what is expected in the task, the categories, you can talk about the status and priority, etc., etc. You can add notes. And obviously, if you would like to add a new item, well, there you go. It is just a matter of filling in the boxes. So I'm not going to complete all of that, just not to make you waste your time for nothing. But this is it really, and then you can edit the list and you can change the different settings of the list over there. Now, in terms of keeping track of student work, it does have limitation, is that you cannot have within a same tab more than one checklist. So if you have 15 students in the class, you would want to have 15 checklists, one per student, to know exactly who is where. And this is not something that we can do with lists. So it would be more for managing student projects as a group or as a class. And there again, it's not extremely user-friendly. It's not that obvious how to modify those lists and use it on the go. If we are talking about project management, then I would suggest you to use another app, which is Trello, and that I will introduce in a different video. Now, if you would like to have a go on list, just go for it. And if you find applications that are fully relevant to your class, well, do not hesitate to share it on the IT support and advice channel on the USG team. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.